Hi everyone, my name is Jasdeep Parhar. I am the project manager of this group and my team will be presenting about the Pepper Crown Kitchen website, which is an online ordering website, and we will be talking about the user roles of our website.
Hi, my name is Dhruti. I will be playing the role of a tester for our online web application.
So my name is Lavjot Singh and I am web developer for this website.
Hi, my name is Siddharth Pandya and I look after the maintenance of this website.
Yeah.
Okay, so guys, now let's discuss about the user roles.
Yeah.
So for our website, first of all, if you guys can give me any idea what you have in your mind, like who will be our users. First, we will list out the users of our website.
Right.
Okay, so anyone? First of all, the main
Customers.
thing is customers, right?
Okay.
Then
Maybe we're
The
gonna talk
developing
about
team?
Yeah.
so it is developers.
Employees.
Yeah.
Employees that will include our
Managers and owners.
yeah,
right?
staff like chef, managers,
Yeah, so you
and
can
owners.
just
Owner.
put what kind of employees we will be having, like manager.
Yeah, we
That-
will
yeah.
do that
Staff.
when we are doing internal and external,
Yeah,
maybe.
Sure.
Then yeah, testers.
And maybe our delivery partner.
Yeah.
Yeah, so our delivery partner is
Uber Eats and
right?
Skip the
So
Dishes.
we are just having Uber
So
Eats.
it's
Right.
Ubi. Okay.
And
That's it.
testers. Yeah, it's
That's
the
okay.
It's done.
maintenance guy.
Maintenance guy and project manager.
Yes.
Of course.
Project manager.
There should also be the owner of the store, I mean the online website,
Yes, the owner of the kitchen.
of the kitchen as well. Yeah.
So these are the stakeholders for project.
And we have. Is there a
I think we should also count manager separately and the staff separately. You can just call employees your staff, but you should count manager.
manager?
separately, yeah.
Sure. And we have covered everything: developers, testers, maintenance. So I think that's all for our user roles. Anything else which is
No.
you guys can think of? Any other users? No, right?
No.
So our next task will be dividing the users up according to internal and external user.
Okay.
Maybe like just if you want to talk more about it.
Sure.
Okay. Speak.
So our second task was about separating these users according to their roles and everything. So our developing team will be having a developer.
And we are discussing the users as internal or external,
Yeah.
right?
Uh,
So maybe we can divide this side as internal, that
Yeah.
side is external.
So developer, tester,
Maintenance,
maintenance,
manager,
the project manager. They will be the internal users of our website.
No, they,
Yeah.
yeah, these are the internal users.
Internal.
Internal
I
users
think we
will
have
also
more. Yeah.
include, I guess, the employees of the
Yes.
Exactly.
Owner.
kitchen.
Owner, manager, and
Internal.
employees.
No.
Yes.
Because they will have the complete access to change the properties of the properties and the functions of the of our website. Therefore, they will be our internal users. whereas the owners and employees and the customers will be the external user, because they will only work as what they have the role, right, according to their role. So external users would be the owner, the manager,
Employees,
पुट्ठा हो गया था इंटरनल में सुंदर क्या
की होगा?
ये सारे
Manager and then the employees. Okay.
I think they're gonna
Employee.
be in internals, right?
then our customers.
Why do you think they should be in internal?
Because once the website is deployed, they will be the using more frequently, and they will have the complete access of the website.
They will
That's
have
why.
the complete access, but they cannot be changing the functions and the software features, right?
Screen देखिए.
So the external would be owner, manager, and the employees. I think. What do you guys think?
I don't know.
Even before, like when I was thinking about a project, like when we were doing the written documentation, I thought like the the internal users would be owner, manager, and employees. But now I think the external would be the users and the users and these customers.
And also Uber Eats.
Yeah.
Okay.
We have mentioned in document like employees manager.
Because I believe I have a valid reason for it, because they can always change their they can always change the features, the functions.
Or they can update their website.
They can update the website. That can be left to the internal team, whereas external people, they cannot change everything. They just have the access everywhere to use
Okay.
the software,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah, right.
So yeah, Uber Eats.
Uber Eats.
Also, they will be using their own software. So we will just make it like we will send a notification. We will get a notification from Uber Eats that we have received an order
Yes.
from them,
Yeah.
and they will be delivering, and we will just be preparing, right?
Yeah, and we'll provide the
That will
details
be
of our
also in a
menu
form
to
of
them.
order, like how we get orders from customer. It's gonna be the same, but just under the name of Uber Eats.
Under the name of Uber Eats, right? So we also have to think about this point while we are developing our project, that Uber Eats will be the delivering guys. We will also have our own delivery people,
Yeah.
but
Okay.
Uber Eats will also do
Yeah.
that.
Okay.
So who gonna be our customer?
So now we have to divide the like types of customers.
And I think,
We can do more in
Siddharth.
customers, right? Type of customers.
yeah, I guess Siddharth
Yeah.
would like to do that, right?
इधर
Who do you think?
photo दिया.
We'll have like
तेरी शक्ल नहीं आ रही. Okay.
We
one
can
if-
consider students.
So
Like-
the type of customers would be who will be ordering from our kitchen, because I think the customer who are nearby
Yeah.
the kitchen, like of course everybody will be knowing our kitchen location, right, through
Yes.
Google Maps. So they would try to order which is gonna arrive fast, which
Yeah.
has a fast delivery. So our nearby customer would prefer ordering from our kitchen.
Then sometimes we might have regular customers who have like their certain fixed order regularly, like
Right.
once or twice a week.
Yeah,
They want this meal.
regular ones and the new ones as
Yeah.
well.
And then there will be new customers who will be signing up on our website for the first
New one,
time.
Yeah.
Then
The regular one.
Regular
okay, the regular ones.
Yeah, I think that is all for
And
customers.
And
those
the
who
one
have
who are like very busy throughout
yeah
the day.
hectic schedule.
Yeah, the ones
The
with
people
hectic
with
schedule. Yeah.
hectic schedule would
How are we
prefer
including
online
them?
ordering.
because they're gonna order the most. They don't have any time to cook the food at their home.
So there will be like, you can say frequent customers.
Yeah,
Yeah, so if someone,
Won't that be same as the regular customers? Like, what do you mean by regular
No,
customers?
it's
No.
like,
Like
we are
they-
counting the people who have a busy schedule. So we are not mainly focusing on the regular customers or the regular people who will be ordering very frequently. We're
like,
focusing on the other customers who will have the busy schedule, and they are hence they are trying to order online.
so the
And,
regular
yeah.
customers will like
Also,
order.
millennial.
maybe they're
will
gonna
also
be in the
counted.
hectic schedule.
Okay.
Students and then.
Like students, so
Okay,
just
yeah.
write millennials. Okay.
That will
Yeah,
be all
that's
for
okay.
the customers, I
Yeah,
guess.
so these
So-
are our so all of
So now we should like discuss on how what will be the frequency for each user, and how what should be their like what knowledge they should have basically to go through our website. You know, what is the
Mhm.
minimum requirements?
So first we should like before doing that we should organize the user role cards for that, and then beside the user role cards we'll write the how frequently they will use our website. So first we have decided the developer. So
You can state their frequency.
yeah,
Then,
so
okay.
let's decide the frequency, how
So
frequent they'll use.
while the frequency will be based on the phase, right? So while the website is being developed, the frequency will be almost like 4 or 5 days a week.
Yeah.
You can say, while it is developing.
Yeah, when
After
it's
it
in
is
the
released to
developing-
customers, like once or twice a week, if there is any.
No, then the maintenance guy will look after the website. They don't.
Okay, so
yeah.
4 to 5 days a week.
Yes, and then the next one.
Will be our
So
testers.
I guess it's same
Testers
for the
are-
testers as well.
Yeah, like 4 to 5 days,
4 to
because it's
5
good
days.
for developers and testers to work side by side when the
Yeah.
website is developing. So whenever they raise the issues, they can be fixed like on early stages.
Yeah, while it's developing, it's also being tested at the same time. Yeah.
And
The maintenance guy will come after, who will only be fixing, I
If
guess,
there is any bug.
who will only be
Yeah.
fixing bugs, or the
maintenance guy will be like working after the
If-
website is developed
Yeah.
on how well it is working and
Yeah.
like the speed and all. So it's gonna be like twice a week. He will just have a look, like
Yeah.
quick go
Yeah.
through from on our website. Can say.
I don't think it should be like twice a week, because it should be just like once a week is fine.
For like early stages, twice a week.
For
it's
like
good,
initial
right?
stages, it
Yeah.
would be like people might
So,
have
yeah.
trouble
For
Initial stage.
for initial stage, but then once the people get used to it and there are no bugs or any defects left in the software.
yeah, and the last one.
We will have our project manager.
Yeah, I am the project manager. Yeah. So we will be trying to do.
Project
PM.
manager will be using it like maybe
You will supervise. The whole
We
project.
will be
So,
supervising the whole
yeah.
application and how
Project
it should
manager
be
will
done, how
be
it should be
also-
implemented.
project manager will also be using the website like frequently, because he will be going through like at what stage the development is, what stage the testing is.
Right.
So, it's gonna be
once a week.
not once a week, because he will have to keep an eye on like how
On
like,
everyday basis.
on everyday basis.
Okay.
Yeah, he has to like get to know like what stage his project is,
Right.
what stages are done, what they are working on. His team
No,
is
but
working
that
on.
can be that topic can be done verbally. Like you can just go and ask your developers at what stage you are at right now, and when the product is released, like when your application is released, then only the project manager will have the access to determine at what level the project has
Then,
been
like,
come up to.
Okay, why it is necessary for the project manager to go through the website while it's developing, so he will have like knowledge of the website, like tab to tab, everything. Like once he's jumping in after it's developed, it's gonna be like a different task for him to go through the whole website. But if we include him in the initial stage, that's how it usually is, so he will have an idea. So once the website is completed, he can present it to the owner, like
Yeah.
customers,
Right.
like, because he will have an idea.
Yeah, sure.
So
we can
So
it's gonna be
Daily basis.
4 or 5 days a week for them
just 4
to.
to 5
yeah.
days.
Okay.
So that was our internal team.
Yeah. So now we'll.
Now you can write what skills do they require for.
For
The
developing
second
this.
question was I forgot. According to the document.
Yeah, there is that.
मैं कट करवा लूँगी ये. Okay. Oh, God.
So second question was the user's level of expertise within his or her domain. So at what level a owner would use the software and what knowledge
Like
he
yeah,
wants.
the expertise. Like expertise will be like advanced, intermediate. That's what it's called, expertise. ऐसे होता है.
Yeah, so
No, but first we need to decide like what should be the proficiency for these guys to develop our website.
It's I think it is advanced for all, because
Yeah.
everyone's
Yeah, because-
playing a like important role. So the expertise will be advanced level
Advanced.
for everyone, because they should have like proper knowledge of coding, testing.
right. And I guess owners and the staff members, not the staff members, the owner and the manager would have the intermediate level of the
Advanced.
level of knowledge of the website.
Yes,
Yeah.
they should have an advanced knowledge of the working of the website, what
So
functionalities.
owners and
Yeah, so we
employees,
create the user
owners
role.
and the
Owner and the manager.
they will be counted as intermediate users of the.
So first of all, the frequency what
Yeah,
we were
for what
discussing
we-
on, just fit is
Daily
the
basis.
so that's gonna be daily basis for owner and manager. Then we have our Uber Eats partner, that will be also like on daily basis, or you can say it
And also our
depends on the orders, right? So you can say it like varies. The frequency
Yeah.
will vary depending on the order.
And also our employees.
Employees will be daily
On daily
basis.
basis. Yeah,
And the Uber Eats.
and Uber Eats.
They will vary.
They will be also using on daily basis.
Yeah.
Depends, like you might
How
get
frequent
one
they get
order
the
at
order,
least.
yeah. Daily depending on the order.
And their level is intermediate. Yes.
And the rest are the customers which will
Yeah.
be like on the first stage, I guess. They will just be ordering.
Yeah, so whenever they
It will
Order?
vary. Frequency will vary.
Yeah,
And say like
frequency-
frequency will vary depending on like customers, right? So you cannot prejudge how.
And their level will be.
the basic, cause it's user friendly.
Yeah.
Yeah, so maybe one day there are a lot of customers and the other day it is quite slow.
Talking about the level, I think owner, managers, and employees, they should have like a good knowledge of the workflow of the website, like from
Yeah.
end-to-end tabs. So you can say like
They intermediate.
Yeah, they're intermediate.
But what
Yeah.
about customers?
customers, they will only have like knowledge about just the customer side, right? Whereas
They
our
will choose.
managers, employees, and owners should have knowledge of both customers and employee side
Employee
login.
side, yeah.
Whereas customer will just have to like go to the website and do like a kind what they do
Log in
online
and just
shopping.
Yeah.
Yeah, the same way.
So
So
it's-
they should have just the
What
basic
was the
knowledge,
third question?
how to browse through different browsers, how to
Exactly.
add things in carts, and how to do checkout. So that is like a basic level, what they do in daily life for our owners, and yeah, that's what intermediate will be.
So every other user would be needing a general level of proficiency with computers and software.
Yes.
I believe that comes with general knowledge, like of using computers and the
Yeah.
software, right?
Everyone should have basic knowledge
Basic
of
Yeah.
knowledge to
browsing
use.
through the website,
Yeah, see,
navigating.
we will try to make it as easy as possible. Like people should view everything on one page, so
they
that it becomes
don't find
easy for them.
difficulty.
Yeah, they don't find it should be easy to use, and look and feel should be nice at the same point.
Yeah.
Yeah, we can make it
User
as
friendly.
easy as
Yeah.
possible.
The another question is the user's general goal for using the software. Some users are after convenience, others favor a rich experience, and so on. So yeah. So the general goal for using the software,
हम लोग वीडियो का कर, right?
Yes, we need
But
to
we
include the
will-
questions.
so I guess the last question is about the general goal of for using the software. Of course, customer would come to our website just to order.
Yeah.
So that's their purpose.
That's their
of
prime.
coming.
Yeah, that's the only goal. Yeah.
They are having. Whereas the owners, the managers, the employees, like our chefs, would be using the software
On business
on
purpose.
business purpose.
Yeah.
On business level. So just right there, like on business level, and
Intermediate hashtag business level. You can write it with this. Use this
Mhm.
marker so it's done.
For business purpose.
For our developing team, they will be using the website for
Development purpose.
development, fixing, maintenance. So that will come under.
All of them will
Yeah, that will
come
come
under
under-
development purpose.
okay. So I guess
What
everything
about
has
Uber
its
Eats and
niche.
customer?
They will,
Because
Uber
Yeah,
Eats are-
they
it's
are
gonna
also-
depend on orders,
Yeah.
right?
yeah, Uber Eats it's also like a
Business purpose.
yeah rich efficiency
Okay.
because it's like business purpose. They will be making business out of it. Customers are using it for ordering.
Yeah.
That is
So their primary, yeah, that's the only goal they have to.
Just ordering,
Yeah.
And they should also have a rich experience. It's like the question is they should also some people come just for having a rich experience, right?
Yeah.
So like that we can just make our website look and feel very good so that customer would feel like ordering, like they see the pictures and they are like, oh, I have to order this.
Yes.
It
Yeah,
should
we're
be
gonna
so
post on
mouth-watering and
social
it should
sites.
be yeah.
yeah. We have to make it so it catches their eyes and they would like.
Yeah, it catches
And
their
customers will also be able to go through the reviews, right, for our chef and the recipes.
Yeah, post it
So
on
Sure.
social
we have to
media.
make sure like we keep updating our social media.
Yeah, the quality should come with
And,
the
yeah.
chefs, our chefs.
We
like-
can also ask every customers to give their feedback by which we
Yeah.
can update our website on daily basis. That's
That's
all.
all.
Yeah,
I
that's
think.
all we
Yeah,
have.
I guess that's the complete definition of our user roles,
Yes.
and yeah,
That's
that's it.
Yeah.
If
Okay.
if there's any point that you guys might wanna discuss.
I think that's enough.
So that was our discussion on the user roles of the Pepper Crown Kitchen, and we will be working on our written document based on this discussion. Thank you.
Thank you.